So, get your screwdriver, start undoing them. In fact, I'll move the screws over here so I can see where they are. Oh yeah, there's the screw down here where the where it's hold the one side hold this drive down. I've got to take that out. I've got it out anyway. In fact, move it closer a bit. Okay, now we can remove this. Okay, that's out. Still a bit of dust in there still. I cleaned it out like ages ago. It's like really dusty. And it's like working properly because consoles needs quite a lot of air for them to work properly. Sometimes you can get the red light of death. You can actually get the red light of death on this one. If you don't put your hard drive in, it'll get the red light of death. I can show you at the end of. I can show you once I've put it all back together. I've got it all working, but we need to sort the dish tray out after I've shown you how to take this out. Anyway, back to what we was doing. So now we need to try and take this out. Which these cables are getting in the way. Just trying to get it out. Yeah, got it. There we go. Ha, got it. Let's set that aside. Now we can start taking the screws out of the motherboard. So, start with this one over here. In fact, we'll do it this one first. Now, that's this, so we can get that out. Let's start removing these. Okay, I think we've got about about 4 screws left to undo. That shouldn't take too long. Got this screw left, 2 left, and then we're done. That's it, that's all that done. Now, what we need to do is we need to take the motherboard out. Start with this one first. That's the biggest, or smallest. Now we can take the big one out. It comes out like this. Or, make sure you should all, don't forget, I should have done this earlier. Got to take the plug out for the fan. Just make sure you do that. Because you don't want to snap it. That'd be a bad mistake. Put that aside over there. You may scratch the table a bit, doesn't matter though. So now this is the part that's left of it. So now we're going to try and see if we can take the front off. Flip it over. Might need to get a big attachment, so just bear with me. Okay, now if you can see down here, I'm pointing at, those are clips which hold the front of the faceplate on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that off. And there's clips on the side of it that are there from this side and that side that holds them both on the side together. What we've got to do, got to try and get them up. In fact, it's easier if you did this. I'll show you. Put the camera somewhere. Just bear with me. Camera should stay there, so just get your make sure you get this size so you can take the sides off. Start with this side, like push downwards like that. Sometimes it doesn't work first time. See that come out a bit. And it clipped back in, so it might take a while. so so this might take a while, so I'll let you know, I'll get back to you and I'll let you know. So I've got one side out, as you can see, it's loose, so I'm going to put the camera over here somewhere, so here. Doesn't matter if you can see it or not, but you can at least actually doing it, so you got a bit of proof. Okay, show you that bit again. Just put those clips back in, but leave one side out. I will show you. So if you can see here, this clip, lift it up. Doesn't work first time, try again. Yep, and it comes straight out like that. You need to like that. It comes out. See? Put that aside. Now this is the part where we actually put, let's move that over there. This is where we take this apart then. So just move everything aside. So I'm going to rearrange everything. So put cables over there out of the way. Move this, put over there. Put this here, right. Put the motherboard over here. It'll be fine there. Okay, that'll do there. That'll be fine there. Put this over here. Put that just in there. Move this over here. Now we can actually start taking this apart. So okay, there's that out. So flip it over. You can see here we've got these screws. These are Phillips head screwdrivers, so Phillips head screws. So one there, one here, there, one there, and another one there. So check. If it's too small, I'll go up a size. I believe that's the only one I've got, or it might be this one. Yep, that one fits. So I'll put it in the attachment. Like that. So we'll start unscrewing it now.